My favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Mr. Johirul Islam Chowdhury. He is an English teacher. He teaches us English. He is very kind and friendly. He always helps the students. His classes are very funny and interesting. He explains every lesson easily and clearly. He teaches us with love and care. He encourages us to study hard. I respect and admire him very much. So, I am proud to get him as my teacher.